Hello everyone, we're going to be doing some geology today, so we're collecting some samples. Obviously this is a little hard, I'm going to get in these veins. There we go, that's one sample. Some interesting stuff in here. Oh, camera won't focus. Let's put this away. Just put it on there. Okay, that's our first sample. If I can get any more of this. Any of these good? Any of these? Guess I can always take several smaller samples. So let's do that. Just got a smaller bits of it. Put it there. Hopefully we don't lose it all. Alright, let's continue. Okay. It's really one of the fewer rocks here. Let's see. Got some iron type. Let's see if we can collect it. We need somewhere where it's easier to get. It's not very good ways to collect it. Just no, it's not what we want. We want something with iron in it, and it's really just over here. It looks like. Thing over here. I keep on checking my hammer, because this is actually a masonry hammer and not a geology hammer, which I plan to get quite soon. Ooh, look at this. Haven't seen this before. See if we can get any. Alright. Alright, that's our sample. Let's take another additional. And let's bring it over to the bike, where we're going to be putting everything. I think actually I'm just going to take the bigger samples. If I need any more, I'll come back. Alright, ooh, I need to get better head protection. I've got quite cheap stuff on, and it's hurting my head, so that's a great sign. It actually isn't protecting me, it's hurting my head instead. Graffiti. That'll be interesting. Ooh, look at this. Little like shiny bits. I don't think you can see that on the camera, but is there a better way to stand? Because I'm standing like directly over it. Somewhat better. There we go. Oh, here it is. Awesome. I got a sample of it. Iron-ish type stuff. Okay. Ooh, looks like we got some other cool bits we can look at that I won't take a sample of because they'll just be way too big. There's a fishing boat out there. So, look at these rocks, the way their formation. They're really quite interesting. Like, see those? Whoa. So that's a fall. It's like a 20-foot fall. I don't really particularly feel like falling down that. Now, if you're asking me why am I doing geology at night? Well, it is November 16th. So there's little light. I get lots of homework. Wonder if I can get a layer of this guy. See how there's there? This is a good representation of the entire rock. I don't think I'll be able to get a layer. Dang it. Should definitely get a base layer. Except for this base layer sucks. Look at this. Crumbles. Ugh. Terrible. Alright, well that's good enough. It's like a shale, but not same coloring, but like it has same properties type, like just easily breaks. It's weird. Okay. Those are our samples so far. Let's look over here. Puddles. That won't help us. Grass. That's kind of far. Particularly far. Okay, I think this area is our main attraction. More graffiti. So that's really what we want to collect here. Any rust? Yeah, there's lots of rust stuff. It's just quite hard to get. Imagine. Yeah. Well, it's easy. It's just hard to get a reliable sample. Let me just get a sample of normal rock. Nope. Well, it's basically like the other one, so should be good here. With some moss and things. Glass. It's just all quartz right here. Really quite interesting, actually, how the quartz layers, because it's so much harder than the surrounding rock. Here's a cool layer. I live in Maine, so you get these layers all the time. You do get kind of used to it. That's why it's kind of weird to watch like other geology places. They'll be all excited, and it's like, And there's a spider. Oh, one rock spider. I do not know many spiders' names. Okay, I think that's all the geology we can do here. This particular location. Anything good? No, mostly samples we've already taken. Not this though. It's like a weird quartz. Alright, normally when I'm doing this I have another tool, but holding the camera is much harder. You know, I actually want to be able to record it quite well. Let's make this rock smaller and do it on the quartz. See, I don't want that little bit of weird quartz-like. Oh, which side is it on? It's on this side. Yeah. I think we can just take this entire sample. A little bit smaller, though. That's what I want. There we go. This is the sample we want. Alright. We're all done. I'm going to bring it to my house. Oh, my bike is right here, actually. And we're going to look at it more closely. Hello everyone, we're back to the house, and we're going to be showing the rocks that we collected. So, this is just the basic rock that we have. It's kind of like shale, it breaks like it anyway. A little bit easier to break actually, considering I just did that. We have it all over the place, too much of it. Alright. And we have quartz crystal, I believe. I'm not sure. I have to check up on it. But in the next episode, we're going to be identifying everything for sure with evidence. But let's see if we can focus it. Anyway, you know what a crystal looks like. Quartz crystal, anyway. And a little bit of ironish rock. We also have a little bit of this. Sorry about the weird focusing. I can't really even see what I'm showing on the screen. I'm using a flip camera. And then this rock was just an experiment. It's kind of like a mix between this, the ironish rock, and the normal rock. It's a mix of the two. It's like barely irony, but it has like the composition of this guy. We also have a little bit of red quartz crystal, which I believe is just a little bit of iron in it. So inside of it, it's just algae type. And also another bit of the crystal. Quartz crystal, which you also know what it looks like. Alright, let's look under these with a magnifying lens. Okay. This is the best one I've got. So as you can see, it's like that. Okay. Oh, dropped the camera. Sorry, I'm holding the magnifying lens over it, so it's kind of weird. Trying to focus it. There we go. It's very white. It's weird. It's hard to show on camera. Let's see. Put on a dimmer light, see it better. I'm gonna use the magnifying lens to focus it. Kind of. Oh, this is like an automatic filter. Perfect. They've got that guy, this guy, and of course. So, that's all we're going to be showing today. Next time we'll probably be identifying these rocks, all of them. And if you want to try and identify them, put your ideas in the comments. By the way, these samples were collected in southern Maine, the coast of it. Anyway, thank you. Bye-bye.